I'm here in the Smart Technologies booth with Mariana Geronazzo. How are you doing today?
Great, thanks Allison. Great.
All right, so I've seen smart boards before where it's just you draw on a whiteboard and all the information gets sucked into your Mac, but it appears to be that you've gone up a notch here.
We have. This is the new SmartBoard 885iX interactive whiteboard. It's our 800 series board, brand new. It's shipping at the end of the month worldwide. This particular SmartBoard interactive whiteboard allows for multiple users, multi-touch, gesture enabled. So anything that you're doing on your Mac that somebody would do on their desktop, on their Mac, or on their iPad, in terms of that functionality, now you can do it on this large display surface. And it affords a great opportunity for interaction, collaboration, working with the data. It's a great tool for teaching, but of course also in business settings for working with information.
So I'm having trouble paying attention because this is fascinating over here. I mean, she's drawing, she's doing different kinds of line drawings, but I've also seen all kinds of architectural stuff up here, and oh man, she's got a compass now. I want to play with the compass. So
this is part of Math Tools, which is a software program that we developed that really enhances learning about math. It's a fantastic product. It's been tremendously popular. Because it's so visual, and
yeah, this is
really brings it alive.
Like I said, I keep just watching her. So you can draw on it with your fingers or with the pen?
That's right, yeah. So it also has the ability of what we call object recognition. So it recognizes when you're using a pen, when you're using your finger, or when you're using your fist, back of your palm, to erase.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it's a very sort of intuitive way of using the interactive whiteboard because it recognizes what it is that you want to do.
Wow, this is amazing. And I'm afraid to ask, what's the retail price on this?
Actually, for education, the pricing is reasonable. Certainly what our reaction has been with educators. It's about $5,000 for
What if you're not in education?
Not in education, the pricing's $7,500.
$7,500. Still, for what this is doing, this is pretty amazing. Is there anything else you want to tell me about it?
Well, I'd say that this is amazing, but Smart as a company is celebrating 20 years in the touch technology industry. Our first interactive whiteboard came out in 1991, so it's 20 years that we've been developing touch-enabled products. This is our latest version of the interactive whiteboard, but we've developed a whole range of other products that are touch-enabled.
And where would right. I was going to say, for some reason, people think that don't be drawn on the Mona Lisa smile there. So, for some reason, people think that Apple invented touch, and it's very, very far from that, for sure.
There are a number of companies that have contributed to touch. We certainly applaud Apple in bringing touch to the forefront, in helping consumers and business people around the world recognize how touch can be used. But certainly they're not the only companies out there that are developing touch products.
So if somebody wanted to get more information, where would they go?
They'd go to www.smarttech.com, SMARTTECH.com.
Great, thank you very much.
Thank you, Allison. Have a great show.
You too.